Alright, let's talk about the debate that never dies in America. Chase Sapphire Preferred versus the Amex Gold. People fight over these two cards like they're arguing about iPhone versus Android. But here's the truth, nobody actually says out loud. Both cards are amazing, but they're amazing for two completely different types of people. Let me break it down like a real human being, not like those robotic comparison videos. First, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card is basically the "Oh, I'm finally becoming an adult" card. You get a big welcome bonus, your travel redemptions are worth more, you get super strong travel insurance, and the annual fee is still low enough that it doesn't hurt your feelings. If you're someone who travels a few times a year, wants flexibility, and doesn't like complicated point systems, the Sapphire Preferred feels like it just gets you. Now, let's talk about the Amex Gold. This card is built different. It's basically a cheat code for people who spend a lot on groceries and dining. 4 times points on food and supermarkets in the US is insane. Plus the Uber Cash and dining credits, they pretty much wipe out most of the fee if you use them, right? But here's the biggest real human difference between these cards. The Amex Gold makes your everyday life cheaper. The Sapphire Preferred makes your travel life better. If you're the kind of person who's always ordering food, eating out, buying groceries for the family, the Amex Gold will print points for you like a broken ATM. But if you're the kind of person who loves road trips, flights, hotels, and seeing new places, the Chase Sapphire Preferred just gives you way more long-term value. So no, there isn't a best card. There's only the best card for the way you actually live your life. Here's the rule I tell everyone. If you spend more on food and groceries, get the Amex Gold. If you spend more on travel, get the Sapphire Preferred. Simple, human, real, and if you actually want to maximize your points, a lot of smart Americans use both cards together because one wins daily life and the other wins travel. If you want me to create a full guide on the perfect setup for 2025, tell me. I'll break down the exact system that saves the most money and earns the most points without ever overthinking it. Subscribe, best card, need check, description.